Hodge runway 4 left.
Hodge runway 4 left, that's not 523 echo.
Fly straight out, 4 left, 80 Quebec, clear for takeoff. Positive fuel pressure, positive oil pressure.
Continue downwind, traffic holding in position.
3187 Mike, full stop, run. Right side up, keep on takeoff runway 4 left, that's not 533 echo. Channel Tower, system 513.
This is 524 Kilo, Center Tower, Hodge runway 4 left.
Channel Tower, Musketeer 80 Quebec, going to return back to the airport.
Right.
Right base, 4 right, 80 Quebec. 1700 is kind of my RPM that I come. Flared a little high, but left at November, hold short of 4 left, 80 Quebec. Alright, can we get a southbound departure then, 80 Quebec?
Buttons on, huh?
Yep, I'm on the right buttons. Hey.
That's closer to Tucson, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
so we
right
come around, you
Tucson.
still do the same. Do you need to contact Tucson approach when you come in? Oh boy.
Thank you, sir.
An experimental 4 Mike Delta, just confirm your gear did not appear to be down on your left side.
Oh, my right side was down, but not the left side. Okay, not a problem. We just put...
Roger, you can keep, I can still keep doing checks for you if you need. Experimental 4 Mike Delta, how much fuel do you have left?
4 Mike Delta, we have 1 hour and 15 minutes of fuel.
Pump is coming on. Fuel
a green
tank
arc?
is going to the positive pressure. Our wheels are down.
Wind check, winds 100, it's 17, gust 22.
The runway made.
It's not bad. That was pretty good.
Not bad. That was fucking beautiful. We talked about gust 22.